one is VS Code, the another is online compiler. So let me open my folder in VS Code. Okay, and I created already one file, code1.c. okay, so let me open, and also I'll run in online compiler, online C compiler. Okay, so how to run hello world? You can see there is already boilerplate code. So let me remove everything, and here inside printf I'll write a string hello world. Okay, so let me run the code. It's successfully executed. Okay, so you can see line number 1 is header file. Okay, it's a header file. This is standard input output. Okay, so this is a header file. You can see this is pre-processor directive, and this is data type, this is function, user defined function, and this is block of code. Okay, and here I wrote output function in printf, and I wrote here in string format, and this is terminator, and this is return type. Okay, so you understood all the code. And if I run this code here, then how to run? Just paste here. Okay, and let me run here by using here. You can see it's successfully executed hello world. Okay.